now I know.
What's good, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Shoshana.
Whoa.
And today we're checking out episode 7 of Chainsaw Man.
Ha!
Here we go!
Yeah. Oh.
That bass guitar.
Okay, so it did actually chomp him. All right.
From their perspective, maybe. You know, from their perspective. I'm about to be the worst pill you ever swallowed.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, the way all the voices were saying it.
Yep.
Oh my god. Oh, this is wild. Yeah, everything's your target. Yeah.
Just free for all.
Suffer with me.
Hey, you're just telling me that there is a heart he can kill. Yeah.
Are they disgusted?
Yeah,
Perfect.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, that's his limit.
Oh, that sound design. Oh, is his kill me, you know, thing of like
Or
biting
I will
me.
kill them.
Or like biting the camera, basically, you know. Oh.
Power, do something.
I wonder if he can use other people.
Oh yeah, light them.
Okay.
Oh,
All right, so it does work. Yeah.
Eating devils to gain power.
Oh, there's the answer.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Like strawberry jams. What are we standing in, Carl?
Oh, there's that quote again.
All right, not Nanami.
Yep.
Dude, that's ridiculous that he's doing all that.
Subaru comes back eventually.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's
His voice sounds good. It does. Nigga, that's the freaking black cloak dude from freaking.
Oh, because so many people died.
To Your Eternity.
okay.
Millions of, oh, maybe this was the gun devils.
Good soldiers.
That's crazy. I swear that sounds like. I gotta look it up.
Yeah. It's interesting, the idea of devils fearing other devils, potentially granting them more power.
It's a process.
Yeah.
I would be drunk all the time if that was my job.
What do you mean?
Don't exist.
Oh. Whoa.
Yeah, you gotta prepare him.
Uh-huh.
Well, then that makes it
Yeah,
perfect that
that
Makima
was
gave
crazy.
him Denji and
Crazy
power.
to explain the dynamics of
Make
power.
sure those screws are loose.
I like how they just read it in right there. It's like, yeah, if you're scared of the devil you're about to fight, yeah, that power level is about to go up.
Yeah.
Oh, you do gotta screw this.
Once he's
Good.
gone. Yep.
Isn't it good for her survival?
we can get out of this whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the sane thing to do.
That's what I'm saying. His family died.
What?
Why doesn't he just order an extra tofu?
No, she needs to die in this episode.
I like it. Everything's a deal, you know?
Yeah.
Because he's strong.
Wow.
How happy and peaceful he
You know, the more
looks.
this goes on,
Insane.
the more my shipper brain is like,
This guy!
Hey, just go down, down, down.
More purple than red.
Whoa, whoa, his head rolled back. Oh,
okay, but he landed in the blood. That's good.
Oh, she's gonna help him. Whoa.
Oh,
Oh,
nice!
very cool.
Nice!
Very cool. And then I keep
Forever and ever. Yeah.
keep going.
Uh-huh.
It's eternity. Yeah! It's a chainsaw. It's a loop. We keep this shit going all night.
I think we're destined to do this forever. that look doesn't look very sane either.
Oh, I love it getting on the camera kind of thing. That's
This continued
Power?
I was thinking about
for a
what
very,
a while.
very long time.
She just happened to be May or something.
Oh.
She was worried about her too. Oh, no power.
They're getting bored of watching.
She fell asleep. Was she watching him?
Yeah, all this sound is going on, just making them even go crazier and crazier.
And he just kept ripping them apart until.
I threw up like 5 times watching this.
Are they still fighting? 3 days?
Oh my god.
It's been 3 days and Denji is
He's
still
still
fighting.
going.
Yes.
I mean, I guess.
Oh.
And then take it one step further. Bone like crazy.
Please.
Shit.
It gave up.
It's begging from the start.
Do it until he kills himself or like pushes it.
Holy shit! It just.
Yeah, he didn't even break its spirit. He actually just beat it.
I mean, not only that, no, it did break its spirit.
Oh,
It
'cause it-
presented it like, please kill me.
And they found the one.
Denji, you're fucking wild.
Like I just took a huge shit. Because that's the best thing he can think of since he's still a virgin.
Post nut sleepiness.
Exactly.
Look at the blood difference.
You say we can't go home and sleep?
Let's get this nigga down. That's what I'm saying.
It's all over. Look at stabs.
Right. As they should.
Oh.
Okay.
Interesting.
We don't have any issues. What are you talking about?
Ah! Of course! They're like, fuck this!
Uh-huh.
Denji. Oh, alright.
Totally.
Fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't feel guilty about it. Maybe.
Okay. Little something.
Yeah.
She has over at
You know what I'm getting the vibe with the gun devil?
Yeah.
Was that it fired off pieces of itself everywhere, and that's what killed so many people?
Ah, new characters.
I want to meet the angel. I want the angel. I want to meet them so bad. Oh.
Yep, there's the craziest son of a bitch I've ever seen.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you've fallen far, Chainsaw. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Interesting.
She did.
Okay.
There was no plan.
Secret.
Probably.
Denji doesn't know.
That's a good plan.
Yes. Yes. Drinking time. Drinking time. Okay, so we got 2 new characters. It looked
I
like.
just keep my phone there. I try to scan around.
No, she's not there yet.
Oh, okay.
Well, if she's in
Yes.
Good. That looks
Oh,
real
it
good.
looks so good. I want some fried food now.
That looks good.
Looks like John. Literally like
Isn't
John.
that the old guy?
Ugh.
No.
God. Yeah, he's probably never had anything
Gyoza!
fancy.
Oh.
Aw. Hey.
Call her Cody. She misses her shot.
Okay. So she is coming though.
Okay.
Scaredy cat.
It's actually cool. I rarely see in anime people actually order the food. It's usually just
Oh,
there,
yeah.
you know?
Right.
Hey, don't be like that. Alright, just like, this is some bullshit.
Yeah.
Reasonable?
She's reasonable.
Yeah.
That's nice. He can't read most of them.
She's just gonna do it right now. Oh, okay. Get me a little bit, a little bit more drunk. Yeah.
Will you?
You know what? When you make a face like that, yeah.
Super forgiven.
Oh, he's so funny.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Be assertive, man. Oh, okay, don't do that.
Okay.
So Denji
Okay.
technically never made a contract though,
This guy nod.
No,
Yeah.
that's beautiful. Remember that.
because Puchka just gave it to him. He's like, I want to see you live your life. That's all he wanted from him.
My boy is 16.
If I remember right. Oh.
Keeping it manga compliant.
Oh. Also got a contract with the Fox Devil.
Oh, yeah.
Hiya, Captain! Oh,
Okay.
that's cool. That's
I like
cool.
it.
She's friendly. Ooh.
Wow.
She's down bad. Wow. Okay.
With who?
Foodie.
There
Yes.
you go.
Eight sisters.
Wow.
Holy shit.
Jeez.
Oh,
8 and a brother.
Well,
Hand
rest
down.
in
That means she's not even the
pieces.
oldest, obviously.
Miss
Damn.
Why is she working?
she has 8 sisters.
But she's not even.
Wow.
That means probably the majority of her siblings have to work too.
Holy shit.
Facts. There's no escaping her.
He's not trying to.
Everybody, man.
Oh.
And he said that shit out loud.
Whoa, hi. Hi. Okay, good. So she does drink. Nice. Oh, damn, so respectful.
Power.
Older that.
I like a dark one.
really?
Yeah. Harder under the circumstances. We'll see.
No. Yes.
shoes. Good job.
Nah. Watch this. But what's this about a kiss? Oh, okay, never mind.
Ooh, lots of odd conveniences. Yeah.
Yo, she didn't even have a drink yet, my guy. Right?
Yes, before she's even really drunk much.
Oh.
Damn, she chugged it.
Oh, well, that's a challenge.
You're gonna lose.
Ah, yes, the drinking party. Yes.
All right.
Yo, there's no way he's beating.
Horse sashimi.
Wait, what?
Wait. That can't be a thing. No.
Oh, well.
He's out.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Yep, definitely not human.
No.
42.
That was one.
Oh, so he was lying. Okay, got it.
Then it's 120.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah, Fushi?
Yeah. 500 IQ. Yeah. Oh, it's time. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, damn. Oh my gosh.
Just that power?
That happened so fast out of nowhere.
It's not a song?
Oh, my God. And then make that shit so sad. Fuck them for that.
Oh my god!
Oh, fuck, and now they're turning into something really sad.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
That's so
She's not trying to do
fucked.
that. They're clouded.
His first kiss.
Yeah, like, it was not just terrifying in general, but specifically for him.
He didn't even drink, right? It's just her throw up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice if they throwing up. This thing is like,
Oh.
Poor guy. Oh.
That nigga just ate so much food, too.
It was also his first drink then,
Kiss
too.
until it wasn't, bro. It was a hot kiss until it wasn't.
and she helped.
Ooh. Makima's loaded. Yes, it
That's
does.
true.
Such a sweet voice.
She won't kiss him tonight.
Puking up in the
You think
bathroom.
she
Bet money
does?
she do.
Oh,
Cool.
she's gotta
All right.
pay him back. You know?
Yeah.
Like, hey,
Maybe not
sorry
tonight.
about that shit. That was. Yeah.
I don't like where this
Oh.
He's tied up. Oh, he's not.
Oh no, wait. Is she at his?
Oh, she's gonna make it
at
up?
her place, or?
Did she
I
get him
think
drunk
you
by
might
throwing up
be.
in his mouth?
He's
How
gonna.
does it smell? Do you see it?
Her cigarettes.
Yep. Yep.
Oh.
Oh, damn.
Oh,
She's.
she's sitting somewhere very specific.
Is she gonna throw him?
straddling me? Ooh. Oh.
Oh, is she gonna beer?
Oh.
I don't like
Watching right now.
Oh no.
You brought
He is a
him there.
kid.
Don't take it off.
Oh no, I'm not ready for this. I haven't
I'll
changed.
take it all off. Okay.
Are you delivering my pizza?
Buddy, you need to wake the hell up. You know what you're doing right now?
Oh, is it the beer?
And then you blame God.
Make sure the thing down there is away from us.
I want to get you first.
Oh yeah,
Yeah. She totally likes Aki. Yeah.
Dirty macking on the chicks, yo.
She likes Aki, right? Like likes him.
I think so. But she's messing with Denji right now.
Yeah.
Probably because Makima wants him.
No pads on her.
16. Let's remember that.
She got it.